Welcome to watch today's Fresham. There are many fond memories ensconced in the walls of this apartment in Double Bay, with the homeowners having made their life here since the building was constructed some 45 years ago. The history of the building, both personal and in terms of heritage, was an important consideration for architect George, which aimed to pull back some of the apartment's excess adornments without losing its original style. Structurally, this meant demolishing a handful of non-load-bearing walls to open the plan and allow better sightlines through to leafy views. In terms of interior design, the architects took their cues from the original material and color palette, choosing flooring, furnishings, and finishes that reflect its history. Bold choices elevate the floors throughout the apartment, with the architects selecting velvety, dappled carpets in soft shades of plum and gray for the living room, bedrooms, and office. This retro look is accentuated and juxtaposed by two-tone tiles in the hallway, kitchen, and dining areas, laid in an offset, elongated check pattern. Furthering the heightened level of texture seen throughout the apartment, the bathroom features a combination of tumbled Palisandro Mista and Calicata gold tiling, which, alongside the Rockero granite bathtub and vanity tops, forms an engaging blue-gray color scheme in the space.